In this video edition, we'll be looking at how to resolve a compound fraction into partial fractions using cover-up method. In cover-up method, let's please check what cover-up method is all about. We are having 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, x plus 4. Actually, resolving this is going to give us a over x plus 1, then plus b over x plus 4. So since it's cover-up method, we have to first look for a way of isolating a. So we solve for a. Now in order for me to isolate a, all I need to do is I will multiply both sides by x plus 1. So multiply both sides by x plus 1. You're having x plus 1 times, here we have 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, x plus 4 equals x plus 1 times a over x plus 1, then plus x plus 1 times b over x plus 4. So having done that, x plus 1 here 1, x plus 1 here 1, we'll be left with 2x plus 3 over x plus 4 equals x plus 1 here 1. So we are having a equals a plus b into brackets x plus 1 over x plus 4. Now we need to look for the value of x that will enable us to eliminate this b. Now remember, the value of x that will make this very expression to be undefined or to be 0 is actually minus 4. But that's not what we are after. We want this b to be 0. If you use minus 4, this expression here becomes undefined. But in order for us to produce 0 here, if you put the value of x to be minus 1, you're going to have 0 times b, that is 0, and then 0 divided by any number is actually 0. So we must be very careful. Our denominator should not be 0, but the numerator. So with that, we can just put minus 1 for x. Remember, not minus 4, please. Putting minus 4 here makes this to become undefined. So putting x for minus 1, it simply means anywhere I see x, I'm going to write minus 1. So into bracket minus 1 plus 3 over minus 1 plus 4 equals, this will give me a. Out. Let's quickly check this one. We are having b into brackets minus 1 plus 1. That's actually 0. So 0 times b, that's 0. Then 0 divided by whatever we get here will end up giving us 0. That way, we have been able to successfully eliminate b. With that said, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3, that's giving us 1 over minus 1 plus 4, that's 3 equals a. With this, we just got the value of a. Now the same thing that we did to get a, we'll also be repeating the same thing to get b, which simply means here we actually multiply both sides by x plus 1 because x plus 1 is the denominator of a. Here now we are going to multiply both sides by x plus 4, big denominator of b. So that's going to give us x plus 4 times this side, which is 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, x plus 4 equals x plus 4 times a over x plus 1, then plus x plus 4 times b over x plus 4. So what happens here? This here 1, this here 1, then this here 1, this here 1. So we'll be left with 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, x plus 1 equals a into brackets x plus 4 over x plus 1, then plus, sorry, this one here is actually, okay, yeah, it's times. So here now we're having 1 times b, that is b, then over 1, so we're having b here. Don't forget the same thing we did here. Now this time around, if you put the value of x to be minus 1, you will end up making this denominator, the denominator here to be 0. And if the denominator is 0, this expression becomes undefined. With that said, it is the numerator that we are interested in. What is the additive inverse of plus 4? The additive inverse of plus 4 is actually minus 4. With that, we are putting minus 4 for x. So put minus 4 for x. Anyway you find x, you put minus 4. 2 into bracket minus 4 plus 3 over x minus 4 plus 1 equals, we'll be having b. What's the explanation around that? If we put minus 4, you'll be having minus 4 plus 4. That's 0. 0 times a, 0. So 0 divided by any number is actually 0. I believe you get that. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. Then plus 3 over minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Everything equals b. Now, minus 8 plus 3. That's minus 5 over minus 3 equals b. And you and I know that this minus will cancel out. So 5 over 3 equals b. I've gotten the value of b. Now let us look at what the partial fraction of that compound fraction will look like. This is the compound fraction, 2x plus 3, x plus 1, x plus 4 equals our a. What did we get for our a? We got 1 over 3. 1 over 3 over x plus 1. X plus 1, then plus our b. 5 over 3, then over x plus 4. Finally, 1 over 3 is common to the two of them, so we can bring out 1 over 3 into bracket. 1 over 3, 1 over 3, you're having 1 over x plus 1. Then plus, when 1 over 3 goes in 5 over 3, you'll be having 5 over x plus 4. Now let's quickly check that. We are saying 5 over 3 divided by 1 over 3. So that's 1 over 3, 1 over 5. Then this one becomes times. So 3 goes from 1 comes down. 3 over 1. 3 and 1, 3 and 1, we are left with 5. Now 2x plus 3 as a compound function over x plus 1, x plus 4 equals this. Now these are compound function. This is the partial fractions. We just use cover-up method to resolve these compound fractions into partial fractions. In case you have a problem related to this, you can drop in the comment section. Have a nice day.